Johnny Timmons, MarineMax in Seabrook, Texas. Today we're on our brand new 2025 360 Boston Whaler Outrage. This is the first one to Texas. We powered it with triple white V10 400 Mercs. Boat runs amazing. We just ran her to Lake Charles as a demo boat, and we were blown away at the performance of the boat. We were rolling at 4,000, 4,100 RPM. Boat ate it up at 34, 35 miles an hour. At 4,600 RPM, you were busting 40. The boat, like I said, it performs flawlessly. Diesel genset, air-conditioned helm. This boat is a Seakeeper gyro boat. Sure Shade sits back here. We've even got a rear camera that's up here that faces over the cockpit for all your guys that are fishing. Come up here to the helm. We got the twin Simrad displays, chart plotter, sounder, radar. It's got all the bells and whistles. This is all your auto switching for the 360 Outrage. Again, another joystick boat. We always doing joysticks on these boats. The Whaler owner deserves it. I love this simple little option. It's just a little small flip down. It just gives you a little bit of extra room so you can see down over the bow. And then for the captain, you've got an AC vent that's gonna blow out right here. You can adjust that. Nice little option. We're gonna work our way forward real quick. Again, now you can see our halo radar up top.
Sorry, it got real bright.
Yeah, good.
All right, we got ready? Ready we are.
And now that we're up toward the bow of the boat, you can see up top we've got our Simrad halo radar. This boat does have the curtain kit package where it's got the wing curtains as well as the full enclosure, because that is a air-conditioned helm. Work up a little bit forward here. I love this option right here. Whalers are famous for it. Look at all this extra storage you get. There's your two tabletops, two buckets. There's a table that fits in right there. I call it the snapper box. It's directly below on the foredeck up here. They even went so far as they gave you nice little armrests when you're running the boat up here. This area does have a shade. You can see the little eye clips. So there is a forward shade that fills in up here if you're just lazy daying it at the beach. And again, thanks for taking your time. I'm Johnny with MarineMax in Houston, Texas. This is our new 2025 360 Outrage.